So here we go, guys. This is the compass by a closer look, which comes with its own strap. This is a velcro strap it uses. So I'm going to unwrap this for you and just look at the compass itself. So the compass uses a rugged construction and has this plastic clipper around, and it's made on Finland, as you can read right here. This measures 41 millimeter wide, 47 long, and its thickness is 14 millimeter. The weight is 16 grams. And the bearing inside uses sapphire for high performance. The capsule is filled with liquid for stable operation, and the compass is insensitive to water pressure, so basically is waterproof, so you can go scuba diving or just diving and you'll be fine. So on top we've got this notch for sighting an object from far away, and the precise bearing on this side window on the bottom. And to lock this bearing we align this red arrow with the black arrow. The black arrow indicates the magnetic north. And here comes the beauty of this. The compass is loomed, guys. Just look at it. Amazing, right? Now, because these degrees on the scale could look tricky at first for some, you can look at the west right here. It says 90, it reads 90 degrees, right? But we know that west equals 270 degrees. Now look, if we want to head west, look at the bearing actually, it reads 270 degrees. And that is correct, because 270 degrees is west. That is why this compass is special, because it's a sighting compass on the wrist. So this is how the compass theoretically works. Now let's make an example on the field. Alright, so first of all let's find the target that we want to travel to. Hold compass level with side window facing you at eye level. Now we should align our target with a sighting notch and the bearing index in the middle. This is where we read our bearing, and to simplify the direction of travel and keep traction without losing direction, we must turn the capsule until the orienting arrow matches the black arrow. Now yes, now we can follow our path of travel with precision. And that was pretty much it, guys. That was my review about my SUUNTO M-9, the sighting compass. I really hope you found this video helpful. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel for future contents. So yeah, I'm Henry. Have a good one. Bye bye.